This guide explains how to recover iPhone reminders from iTunes. Part 1. How to recover iPhone reminders from iTunes using the official way data loss. iTunes officially provides the Restore Backup feature, which allows you to roll your device back to the state it was in at the time of a previous backup. Through this method, you can restore all backup data, including reminders. However, it's important to note that this action will overwrite all the data currently on your device. If you don't mind, follow the steps below to learn how to recover iPhone reminders from iTunes. Step 1. Open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Trust the computer on your iPhone if prompted. Step 4. In iTunes, click the iPhone icon on the top left. Step 5. Under the Summary tab, click Restore Backup. Step 6. Choose the backup that contains your reminders. Step 7. Click Restore and wait for the process to finish. Part 2. How to restore iPhone reminders from iTunes without data loss. If you want to recover iPhone reminders from iTunes without overwriting your current data, iPhone Reminders Recovery is the safer and smarter choice. It scans iTunes backup files and allows you to preview and selectively restore reminders and other data without affecting anything currently on your iPhone. Step 1. Download and install iPhone Reminders Recovery on your computer. Step 2. Launch the program and select Recover from iTunes Backup File. The software will detect all iTunes backups saved on your computer. Choose the backup that includes your reminders and click Start. Step 3. After scanning, click Reminders in the left panel to preview your data. Select the reminders you want to restore and click Recover to save them to your computer.